Today we'll be drawing a popsicle. Let's get started with the eyes. It's just going to be two medium-sized circles. One right here. And the second one, you want to move it down a little bit on the right side. Like this. Make sure they're at an angle. And then let's add the highlight circle. Two small ones. One. Two. And the same thing on the other side. Let's add one. Two. Now let's color in the eyes. Almost there. Once you're done coloring in the eyes, we can start with the mouth, which is going to be a jelly bean shape. We're going to start right here, go down and up to complete the jelly bean shape. And now we could have the little teeth. It's going to be a line down here, back up, and that completes the face for the popsicle. Now we could draw the outside of the popsicle. We're going to start from down here, bottom left, and we're going to go all the way up to here on the top of the eye, and it's going to be a straight kind of curved line all the way up like that. Now we're going to do the same line on the other side. Once you have those two lines done, we're going to add the cap of it. So it's going to be a curve on the top. Then down. And then finally the bottom. All the way across. And connect. Now we can draw the side to give it some dimension. So we're going to draw a line across like this. And then curve it down. And then finally follow it down to there. And we'll connect this point to this point by going across. And we're going to draw the similar line on the other side right here. And before we connect these two, we're going to actually draw the popsicle stick. It's going to be a line right here. And then a line down from this side all the way down. And same thing on the other side. And connect the bottom like so. And then we're going to add a little notch and draw the side of the popsicle stick. So follow carefully down to here. And then we're going to curve it like so. And now we can complete the lollipop. It's going to be at the bottom to this point. And then continue it to the other side and meet up with this corner. We just need a little bit of popsicle detail, so we're just gonna add some lines right here, two right here, and then connect it with the curve on the bottom and on the top. And then we're gonna do the same over here, two lines. And connect. And finally, one more set of two lines and connect. And there you have it. A perfect drawing of a cute popsicle stick. Now let's add a little bit of color. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials weekly.